I have two children. They're 9 and 10. When I started my surrogacy journey, they were 5 and 3 at the time. And so to explain it to a young child like that, you have to use it in terms that they'll understand. So I told them that I wanted to help a mommy whose tummy was somehow broken and she couldn't actually carry the baby. And they actually got quite an education about pregnancy. So I explained what a uterus is, and I actually explained what a mom and a dad bring to the table. So I figured education's always key.
Well, my first surrogacy, they were very little. My youngest was, I think she was like 2 or something. She was really little. So I had the range from like 5 years old to 2 years old. And I remember thinking like they're not going to understand a whole lot. They knew my couple because they had come and visit. And so they had that. And I was basically just kept it really simple and said, you know, this lady's can't, you know, Susan or whatever, you know, can't carry a baby in her tummy and she really wants a family. So I'm going to help her with that. And with the little one, I was really clear to say, this is not your brother or sister. This is, you know, Susan's baby. And I did that just because, and I kind of said the same things over and over because I didn't want my kids to think I was giving away a brother or a sister.
I've come to realize that my 4-year-old doesn't know what normal is, so he, as far as I know, walks around and thinks that there's all these mommies having babies for people that, you know, aren't theirs. And my 8-year-old, he's at an age where I think he gets it. But ultimately, for them meeting the couple and seeing their faces and seeing that they're real people is really, I think, when it made sense to them that, wow, okay, these are the people that my mommy's going to help give a baby to. That's when it made sense for them.
My children, they were very understanding. They knew that mom was carrying a baby for somebody else to help somebody else who didn't have a family, who really wanted one. And I have a 5-year-old also, and she was just like, you know, well, okay, it was no big deal to her, you know, but my older two were very understanding about it, and they just knew, you know, that mom's pregnant with somebody else's baby. Yes. So they knew it wasn't going to be our baby, that we weren't going to bring the baby home, you know. So it was a good experience for them too.